Thank you for having chosen BMG LabTech and the VANTAstar microplate reader for your laboratory. In this short video, we will show you how to install your new microplate reader and what items are included in the box. You can start unpacking your VANTAstar as soon as it arrives. There's a lot in the box besides just your new reader. Let's go over what is included with a new instrument. Inside the operating manual there is a USB memory stick you can use to install both the control and data analysis software. Cables are included for both power and to connect the VANTAstar to a computer. A magnetic filter cover is included. Please look through the applications binder to see some of the ways our readers have been used in the past, and to get some ideas about what you can do with your new instrument. Before using a VANTAstar, 2 transport pins must be disengaged. Turn the horizontally aligned transport pin counterclockwise until it can be removed, and then place it in its storage position. Then, unscrew the vertical transport pin, remove it, and place it in its storage position too. Put the magnetic filter cover in position, align the magnetic pins on the cover with their counterpoles on the instrument. At the back of the VANTAstar, you can connect the power supply, your computer, and optionally other devices like an atmospheric control unit. Connect the VANTAstar to a Windows PC using the USB cable provided. Make sure to have the instrument control software already installed. To add or change filters, make sure the VANTAstar is powered on. To access the filter positions, open the front lid, remove the magnetic cover, and push the yellow button labeled Filter Access. Pushing the button multiple times will let you successively access the 2 excitation slides, the dichroic filter slide, and finally the 2 slides for emission filters. Without touching the surface, place an excitation filter into any excitation position. Do the same for dichroics and emission filters. The magnetic filters will firmly snap into place. After installing any filters and inspecting them to make sure they are aligned, cover the filter slides again using the magnetic filter cover. Your VANTAstar is now ready for operation. If you ever need to move the reader, make sure there is no plate in the reader and that the instrument is powered off. Make sure that the transport mechanism is locked, to prevent potential damage during shipping. Remove the long and short transport pins from their storage positions. Screw in the long transport pin clockwise. Then finish securing the reader by screwing in the short transport pin clockwise too. Appropriately repackage the VANTAstar for shipment.